Hello dear students, let us look at this theorem. The theorem says equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. So this is all about the circle and its equal chords. Let us first visualize this problem or the theorem. If we look at it, we have a circle with us. So this is the circle. Let us enlarge its size. So this is the circle. It will have a center definitely at the middle. Right, so this is the center. Center is that point from which all the points on the circumference of the circle are equidistant, right? So let us take this point as point O, and we have equal chords of a circle. So let us take two chords which are equal to each other. We know what is a chord. Chord is that line segment which touches the circle at 2 points. So this is one of the chords. And the other chord is this. Let me just change its orientation. Okay, we can draw a chord which is like this, right? So these are two chords which are equal to each other and they are subtending an angle at the center of the circle. So let us have that angle also. So if I join its vertex with the center, it will form an angle. Let us draw it, right, like this. Let us change its color to make it better visible. So this is the chord. Let us name that chord. This is the chord AB. And this is the angle subtended by the chord AB at the center, that is angle AOB. And if I join it again, let us join it over here as well. For that, I'll just erase O for the meanwhile. And we are joining this center with this chord's end point, right? And we will join another like this. Isn't it? Let us name it as well. This is chord C, D, and this is our center point O. It also subtends an angle over here at the center. So this is what this figure looks like. This is the circle with center O, and AB and CD are equal chords subtending angles AOB and COD at the center of the circle. So what do we need to do? Let us first of all write what is given. If we write what is given, it's simple. In the circle with center O, chord AB is equal to chord CD, right? And also, this is what is given to us. What do we need to prove? So, to prove that the angles are equal at the center. So, we need to prove angle AOB is equal to angle COD. This is what needs to be proved, that angle AOB is equal to angle COD. That is what we need to prove. So let us prove this statement. So the proof starts with, if I look at it, we have two triangles in front of us. And we know that if somehow we can prove these two triangles to be congruent to each other, we will get all of its corresponding parts equal to each other. And we know that corresponding parts of the triangle will definitely include these two angles as well. So our motive is to first prove triangle AOB and COD to be congruent to each other. So let us write it. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, what do we have? Let us start with the very first thing. OA is equal to OC. How come? We know that OA is the radius, right? It is the radius, and OC is also the radius because it is the center point joining the point on a circle. So OA is radius and OC is radius of the same circle, so they are equal. So we can write radii of circle. Also, similarly, OB is equal to OD, isn't it? So OB is equals to OD. Same reason. They are the radii of the same circle, isn't it? And one more thing is given to us, that this chord AB is already equal to chord CD. It is given in the statement itself. So we will write AB is equal to CD. For that we will write it's given. So if we see that all the three sides of triangle AOB are equal to all the corresponding three sides of the triangle COD. So this implies that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by which congruency theorem? SSS, side, side, side congruency criteria. Right? So by SSS congruency criteria, this triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. So this implies that if these two triangles are congruent, all of its corresponding parts will be equal to each other. We already have proved that all the three sides are equal. So now all the angles will also be equal to each other. So this implies that angle AOB is equal to angle COD. For that we will write the reason CPCT. What is CPCT? CPCT is an acronym for corresponding parts of congruent triangles, right? So CPCT, this tells us thus what we can say, equal chords of a circle subtends equal angles at the center. Right? This is what we wanted to prove, and we have proved it. So please note it down for your reason. I hope all these calculations and topic is clear to you. Thank you so much.